Hello, my name is Brad Altman, and I want to thank you for taking time to watch this video. The information I'm going to give you here is free information for you to use with your marketing team or whoever it is that builds your web page. First of all, I'd like to compliment you on a nice web page. I see your family or employee owned since 1985. That is excellent. So that means you want to keep these people happy, of course. Um, Looks like you guys have offers going on, which is great as well. People love things like that. Some good pictures tells us where you're at and how to find you. These are all excellent things that you have going on here. I want to compliment you on that. Um, First thing I'd like to talk about is the amount of words you have on your web page. So as you see, I'm copying and pasting your website URL, and I'm going to put it over here in this thing called word count. You guys currently have 902 words on your web page. Okay, that's pretty good. However, Google is looking for anywhere from 1,500 to 2,000 words on your web page. I'm going to go over here to your competition and I'll show you how I found them here shortly. And I'm going to do this, do the same thing. Put that in the word count. Now they have 1,610 words. Okay, so they're right on track for what Google's looking for. Um, Again, this is your competition, and this is how I found them by putting keywords in the search bar. Okay, plumbing is a keyword for your company. Heating is a keyword for your company, and that's how I found your competition. And as you can see, here they are. They are number one on this area called Mappets. Okay. And you guys are not even located in here from what I can see. Um, so this right here, to get here, you need good backlinks, and I'll talk about that here shortly. And again, this is Mappets, and this is normally, according to Google, the second place that people are going to click on to find what they're looking for. Down here, however, this is referred to as the organic area. And normally, this is the first place that people are going to click on when they're looking for something. So, up in the search bar, again, keywords, I'm going to talk about that here shortly. If you're looking for a hotel room, you'd put that in here. If you're looking for a restaurant, I think you get the idea. So, I see you guys, Heart Labs, in the number 2 spot. I'm going to scroll down here to see if I can find you guys. Heart Labs here again, it looks like. And I'm not seeing you on the first page. As you see here, I got the first page up. I'm going to go to the second page. Here again, Heart Lab is again. I'm not seeing you yet. I'm not seeing you so far on the second page either. There you are. So you're on the second page, about 3/4 of the way down on the second page. So what your goal is to be on the first page in the number 1 spot here and on the number 1 spot here on Mappets. Okay. Now, how do you do that? Again, your word count, you had quite a few words, but you have room to add more words. By adding more words, you can add in more keywords. And again, I kind of explained that to you. Plumbing and heating are keywords in your business. So I'm going to go over here to a tool called Ahrefs. Ahrefs is not a free tool. It costs me about $200 a month. And here's the organic words that I was talking about. So your organic keywords will bring you in about $1,700 per month, as you can see. I'll highlight it so you can read this here. And these keywords come off of the keywords that come out of your website. I'm going to go over here to New Berlin Plumbing. And you see I have their URL copied in here. Now, they're not doing so good. Their traffic value is only 309. So you guys are doing great there. But that's because they only have 21 organic keywords on their webpage compared to you guys, 88. That's why you're bringing a lot more volume. So you can see how organic keywords can bring in more money. And again, you want to get more words on your webpage and add more keywords to it, which will significantly bring up this dollar amount right here. As again, like I said, they only have 21. If they add more organic keywords, they're going to bring this right up into your guys' area. Next, I'm going to talk about backlinks. These guys have 102,000 backlinks. You have 108,000. Okay. What a backlink is, it's basically, well, I'm going to give you a technical word to start out with. A backlink is anywhere you find out one website linking to another via clickable hyperlink text. In a little simpler words, a backlink is literally like a popularity contest, okay? Where the person with the most backlinks wins because everything is pointing back to their webpage. Again, another way of Google says it, these backlinks act like an endorsement of your website from others, which Google uses to build trust in your business by seeing others vouching for you. So again, you have a good amount of backlinks, but again, I'm going to go over here. The backlinks you have might not be very good, and so they're referring back to you. These guys must have some good backlinks referring back to them. That's why they're number one in the map area, and they're right up here on the front page with their backlinks. So again, that has to do with backlinks, companies referring back to you, making you popular, as well as the amount of words and the keywords you have on your web page. So with this in mind, I'm going to say you have plenty of room to add more words. You don't have to change your website, but add more words to it and add more keywords to your web page. And that's what's going to get you even more income into your business. And being a family, or not family, but employee owned, this would make your employees happier, I'm sure, and you, of course, if you could raise this up. And it could be very easily done. Like I said, you could just need to add some more words to your homepage, more keywords, and backlinks. Now, all this information is going to be sent to you by an email. You can simply reply to that email if you want more information. But like I said, this is free. You can use it as you wish. Or you can call me at 608-574-2784. I hope you found this information useful and helpful.